SCT, providing world-leading geotechnical solutions. When it comes to underground mining, monitoring the stability of the rock mass surrounding an underground excavation is critical. Rockfalls are a significant hazard to underground worker safety and can cause major financial loss. SCT has been supporting mines to prevent rockfalls since 1989, and RockSHIELD leverages the power of automation to improve geotechnical monitoring. Digitized geotechnical monitoring instruments are installed into the rock mass. Installation into a pre-drilled borehole is simple, requiring no grouting. The instrument is now monitoring, and by simply connecting and calibrating to a head unit, automated monitoring is underway. No more manually reading, recording, or processing of data. The integrated sensors detect dilation, deformation, shear, and strain. Data will now be collected and transmitted at preset adjustable intervals to a central server via the Wi-Fi-enabled head unit. In addition, where Wi-Fi is not available, data can be collected locally from the head unit using the tablet. The RockSHIELD software presents the data in a user-friendly interface, allowing geotechnical engineers and mine officials to access this critical information remotely. Visual indicators enable underground workers to monitor directly, and the RockSHIELD software provides oversight and early warning. The information and data sent via RockSHIELD identifies and quantifies the time, mode, and depth of failure in the rock mass. Thresholds and triggered alerts enable informed decisions and peace of mind for all mine workers. The RockSHIELD Geotechnical Monitoring System provides remote monitoring into the rock mass, enabling significant time savings and a safer work environment. Monitor remotely, act on quantified data, protect people, plant, and production. Contact SCT to incorporate RockSHIELD into your geotechnical monitoring program for a safer mining operation.